All right, so here we go. Back once again to the left angle cross of the wishes on the 6-2 profile. Leadership. The gift of a position means you have to be there. You have to get there. You have to have it. To maintain harmony even in severity. The strength to maintain one's value with vigor and continue to have harmonic relationships with others. Or inherent moodiness. The strength to maintain one's values but at the expense of harmonic relationships. Oh, how classic a six lines this is. This is where the theme of leaderships come from. When we talk about the six line, it's right there. This is its keynote, and that every six line being has the opportunity in its life to be a true leader. And who does it lead? Itself. It's not leading anybody else. Being a role model is not the same as being a trainer or a teacher or a messenger or any of these things. A role model at the channel of the creative role model expresses a role model is alone. Period. Just something to be experienced, nothing more, nothing less. And of course, this is the ultimate goal of the six line. Experiences that when you get to the Chironian stage of your life, that you're able to enter into a life in which you simply are. This is being an example. The severity that is there, the position of power that is there. The power is to be your own authority. When you are your own authority, you can be very severe. You know that. Check me out. When you are your authority, you can be very severe, and I will not get off your hand. I am my own law. You don't like that? Tough. I am my own law. Until we get to the place where everybody resonates to that, this is the six line phase that comes in the great individual global cycle that's emerging in 2027. We're not going to be a 40-37 community bargain soup. We're not going to have all this collective focus on collective programs and skills and institutions. We're not going to have all of that. We're going to have a rigidly individual global cycle where everybody's going to be on their own. It doesn't matter what's in the air. It's only the sixth line that is taking us there. The value of historical continuity, whose traditional values serve and enrich the present and the future is right there in the sixth line. There's only one law. There's only individual law. And if you live correctly by your own law, you're a leader. You're an example. And as that example, there's nothing to say or do. There's no one to convince. There's simply the potential to live correctly as yourself, as your own authority. Wow. Amazing. Sixth line. Just be yourself. Be this own authority. Be by yourself. The sixth tree. When you get to the sixth tree, what a thing to look at. I love the 28th gate, but it isn't everyone's taste. And the sixth tree is sitting there and saying, okay, I know that the ultimate universal principle of the law is, even if I translated it on a mundane level, I was created in the image of God. Therefore, I am God. Therefore, I am my own God. You can get this to this universal principle of saying, here's the genetic matrix. Nobody else is going to function or filter this way. I'm unique. I'm my own authority, make my own decision. All of that is great. And then the sixth tree looking over there and sees the 28. And the 28 is looking back at the sixth tree, is saying, yeah, that's nice. I for. I don't care about what the law is. I don't even care if I'm the point. What is the point? Why are we here? So let's go to the next level of the 28 gate. I love the 28 gate.